a savage. I'm going hard for things that I ain't having. I'm stuffing my pockets with extra cabbage.
Alright, yo. Today I'm gonna be going over the Versace belt. It got Swarovski crystals. I don't know how to say it, man. That word always gets me. Swarovski. You know what I mean. They got the crystals right here, all in the face. Whoop. So we're gonna legit check this for you. On the inside of the buckle, it says made in Italy. Versace on top and made in Italy on bottom. You got the 4 screws. I'm gonna zoom in for y'all for sure on this, for y'all can see what's up. I don't know if you can see it right here. Yep, the 4 screws with the little, you know, you can really use a screwdriver to turn it open. And on the side we got on the inside we got the code DCU5052.DVS2. So I'm sure that's a matchup, whatever you're getting, if it's official. Make sure it says Versace made in Italy twice, one on the inside in the middle of the belt, pretty much right in the middle of the belt. One there, and then right behind the buckle is another one. Let me show y'all real quick how this looks. I don't know if it's zooming in. On the side, for the size, you got the 140. Has one loophole. It has one loophole, so yours shouldn't come with like 3, 4. On the loophole, you got a little catcher right here, so your loophole doesn't go too far down. You know how that happens with the belt sometimes. That won't happen with this, so that your belt should have that for sure if it's legit. Alright, yo, so I'm gonna zoom in for y'all can see what's up with the belt, and y'all can see the details up close. Whatever questions y'all got, if y'all want to cop this belt, comment on the video. Comment on the video. There's a zoom in. I'm gonna zoom in for y'all to see the details and everything on the belt. There we go.
Money turned me to a savage. I'm going hard for things that I ain't having. I'm stuffing my pockets with extra cabbage. Money the motive I got established. These streets turn me to a savage. Working hard, I don't wanna be average. I'm stacking my bread, now I'm living lavish. This cold world turned me to a savage. The money keep coming, I don't change. I was broke, I was trapping in the rain. Coming up in the hood comes with pain. Niggas switch when they get a little fame.
Alright, yo, y'all saw the zoom in, so y'all know I can't let y'all go without telling y'all. Follow me on Instagram at Prince Fiorentino. Subscribe to my channel. Comment on my videos. I will respond to all of y'all, no matter what y'all say, positive or negative. It's always positive because I'm gonna grow from it. Like my videos, comment on my videos, subscribe, and watch my next video. You're gonna like it. You know it's probably Supreme, but it's definitely streetwear. Let's get it.
Money turned me to a savage. I'm going hard for things that I ain't having. I'm stuffing my pockets with extra cabbage. Money the motive I got established. These streets turn me to a savage.